We are beginning this evening with two cases of child care providers, both accused of shocking crimes against kids in their care. First in Morgan Hill, a 59-year-old woman is behind bars accused of trying to drug toddlers before nap time. Action News reporter Felix Cortez is live in Morgan Hill with our top story.
Well, Dan, police say Gratz, a teacher here at the Kiddie Academy just behind me, was trying to drug the toddlers with a sleep aid. But questions tonight like, how long had this been going on? And why did the academy wait 3 days to notify police and parents?
No comment right now, thank you.
Tuesday morning, some parents scrambled to take their kids out of the Kiddie Academy in Morgan Hill. Some of them just getting the news Tuesday that a teacher was accused Friday of putting a sleep aid in children's cups.
Until this morning, my sister showed me the article, and I just jumped up and came over here and get my kids.
Police say co-workers saw Debbie Gratz putting an unknown substance in small drinking cups. When confronted, Gratz said it was Sominex, an over-the-counter sleep aid. Parents couldn't believe it.
I would never picture anybody do this to any kid.
Yeah, what do you think about somebody doing this?
Sickening, sick to my stomach. I want to throw up. I just keep my kids home. I work for a daycare too, so it's hard.
Police said Gratz's concoction was discovered before any of the 1 to 2-year-olds in her care had a chance to drink it. But police clearly concerned this may not have been a one-time thing. And they're also concerned why the daycare waited 3 days to alert police and parents.
We could have gone out there and obtained some of the statements of the people that witnessed it that day. We could have gathered some of the evidence that could have still been maintained out there. Yeah, we would have liked to have been notified sooner.
The daycare isn't talking, but they released a statement saying 80 kids attend the Kiddie Academy, but only 10 are in the care of Debbie Gratz. One parent said she was told Gratz was under a lot of pressure.
They said that she was stressed, but still, if you're stressed, why didn't take a week off?
And instead, Debbie Gratz was fired from her job, arrested at her Hollister home last night. Tonight, she remains behind bars, charged with felony child endangerment. Dan.
All right, thank you very much, Felix. As of this moment, Debbie Gratz is being held without bail. She is expected to be arraigned on the charges by Thursday.